Hi, third graders. Miss Whitford here, and I am joined by a very special guest. This is Mr.
Hello.
Whitford. So we are going to show you how to play this week's math game. It's called High Low. Okay. So what you need a deck of cards. I happen to only have this like little mini deck of cards, and then you need 2 dice. They are special dice. So this one, I don't know if you can see that, but it says either add or subtract on the sides, and this one says high or low. Okay. So for the recording sheet, so what you're going to do, your goal is to be the winner of each round. So Mr. Whitford, you ready to play?
Yes.
Okay, good answer. So what we're going to do is I have a deck of cards, and you can choose from the top. You can choose like any cards that you want. You can see those right there. And you're going to choose 4 cards. All right. So choose any 4 cards. I'm also going to choose 4 cards. You can look at your cards. Okay. All right. So my cards, I have an 8, a 7, and 2 6s. Mr. Whitford, what do you have?
I have 2 8s, a 7, and
an
and
A.
a 1.
And an A. A is 1. Remember, A is 1. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do, yep, there they are. So what we're going to do, you can decide if you want to have one person roll the dice or if you each want to roll the dice, whatever. And so what do you want to do? Do you want to roll? Do you want me to roll? Do you want to roll one each?
You roll.
I'm going to roll the dice. Okay. So I'm going to roll the dice. Blowing them for good luck. Okay, good. And okay. So this says high and add. Okay. So now with your 4 cards, you are going to make an addition problem. Okay. And your goal is to make the highest number. Okay. So for example, because it says high, if it said low, your goal would be to make the lowest number. So I have a 7 and an 8 and a 6 and a 6. So I'm probably going to do 86 plus 76. Okay, so this is where I'm going to do my work over here. So I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. So first of all, so it says we're going to add. So I'm going to circle add, and I want high. All right, so showing my work is going to be doing this. So I'm taking 86 plus 76. And then Mr. Whitford would be doing the same thing, except he doesn't have a recording sheet right now. So he's pretend he's doing it on his paper right there. Look at him showing his work. Good job, Mr. Whitford. Showing your work is so awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to add my numbers together. So I have 6 plus 6 is 12, but I can only keep the ones in the ones place. So I carry that 1, which is really a 10. So I have 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 162. All right, Mr. Whitford, what did you get?
I have 87. I have an 8 and a 7 and an 8 and a 1. So I have 87 plus 81.
Which is because you showed
say,
your work?
Because I showed my work.
Yeah.
It's 168.
Oh, 168. So that is the higher number. So Mr. Whitford wins that round. All right. Then you take your cards. You can put them back in the deck or you can put them to the side, your choice. Another option for you is you can include the jokers. Jokers, you can make whatever. If you get a joker, you can make it whatever number you want, whatever digit. It can't be 100. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. And then you go again. So you can shuffle them. You don't have to shuffle them, but then you each choose 4 cards. All right, choose 4 cards. And then I will choose my 4 cards. And then you keep on going until you get to the end.
I have an extra card.
Oh, you have an extra card. Oh, good job on being honest and giving it back. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Honesty is a great policy. All right. Do you want to roll the dice this time?
Sure.
All right. 3, 4. You have add and what's
low.
The add and low. Okay.
Add and low.
So we want to add these, but get the lowest number. Awesome. I'm so excited because I have some low numbers. I have ace, ace, 2, 2. So you know what I'm going to make 12 and 12 over here. All right. Then you can also make your numbers. I'm going to make 12 plus 12. And I have to make sure that it says, and I'm doing add. We are doing add and low. Is that right?
Yep.
Add and low. So 12 plus 12, 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. I have 24. Mr. Whitford, what do you have?
I have a 4 and 3 threes.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to add 43, a 4 and a 3, to the 33, which is a 3 and a 3, and I will have 76.
Because he showed his work. And he
Right.
figured that out and showed his work.
Yep.
Yep.
And that's when I was born.
Yep. So, oh, wow. So there's a little math problem for you. You can figure out exactly how old Mr. Whitford is. He was born in 1976. Is that right?
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
1976.
Good. 1976. All right. So who has the lower
late
one?
1900s.
The late 1900s. Mrs. Whitford wins this round. So that is how you play high-low. Thank you, Mr. Whitford, for helping out with that.
Glad I could help.
All right.
Good luck.
Have fun. May the odds be ever in your favor.